Hey, what's going on, guys? This is an update video. Remember in the last one, I was kind of saying how I cut this out right here, and I started working on the other side, and I got kind of the way there when the disc broke and kicked back into my face. I'm just gonna show you real quick the stitches that I had to get. Yeah, it cut all the way down to the cartilage right across my nose. So let that be a lesson to where, well, I was wearing safety glasses, but I wasn't wearing a face shield. And you should probably wear face shields. There's my doggy. Hey, bud. Anyways, so yeah, Bauer brand, Chinese crap. Breaks, kicks back, cut your nose off. It was real fun. So in the works is I actually got something to show you guys. I'm still waiting on the wheels, and I got a guy to mount these new tires. Look at these beasts. It'll do for now. Iron Man. Got 37 by 12 and a half, 17 LT. These are 12 ply, and they're really freaking heavy. I'm gonna pull these down and show you what they look like next to the truck. So I pulled the tires down. You guys can see, really big. I mean, that's gonna look pretty beefy. I have them tilted right now, but you can see the difference without even airing them up. I mean, you know, it'll be different because the center points, but I mean, that's pretty sweet. And then let me get something to prop this. So, and I never realized how heavy these tires are. Like, they're extremely heavy. Look at that freaking tire. That thing's gonna look beastly in there. And it looks like it should fit just fine. You know, with the center point, those tires would be down a little bit more. Yep. Beast mode. Yeah. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that I got my tires, and I think I'll get the tire or the wheels tomorrow. And this baby will be sitting a little higher, a little bit, about 3 inches taller probably, and should start looking pretty good. I am not going to use an angle grinder anymore to do anything. Thinking about getting a plasma cutter, so maybe be a little bit safer so I don't freaking cut my face off again. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little update with the new tires here. And yeah, should look pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know what it is, but these tires are like 150 pounds. It was like seriously difficult. Sorry, I can't really get a good. The girlfriend's little Kia thing is in the way, but it should look pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys like an update. So remember, be safe. Don't skimp on PPE, and you won't have 7 stitches in your nose. Uh, so, anyways, right, bud? Right, bud? Yeah. Alrighty. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.